Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're thinking about getting into 3D printing or upgrading your setup with something affordable, reliable, and easy to use, this video is for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best budget 3D printers, chosen for their build quality, print performance, ease of setup, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at number 1, the Flashforge AD5X 3D printer. The Flashforge AD5X is built for creators who want speed and visual impact without jumping into expensive industrial machines. One of the biggest highlights here is true multicolor printing, supporting up to 4 colors at the same time. That opens the door to more detailed models, clearer labeling, and eye-catching designs without manual filament swaps. The auto leveling system keeps things simple. With one-click bed leveling, the printer handles first layer accuracy automatically, which helps reduce failed prints and setup frustration. That's especially helpful if you're printing frequently or switching projects often. Speed is another area where this machine stands out. The CoreXY motion system allows printing speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, paired with strong acceleration. Even at higher speeds, the printer stays controlled thanks to vibration compensation and a dual fan cooling setup that keeps layers clean and consistent. The direct drive extruder reaches temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, giving you flexibility with different filament types. Interchangeable nozzle sizes, ranging from fine detail to larger output, makes it easy to switch between precision work and faster prints. Overall, the AD5X feels like a well-rounded machine that balances speed, color capability, and reliability in a way that fits both creative and practical projects. Next up at number 2, the Flashforge 5M. The Flashforge 5M focuses on efficiency and smooth workflow. It's designed for people who want to spend more time printing and less time adjusting settings. Automatic bed leveling and one-click printing remove a lot of guesswork, helping you get consistent first layers with minimal effort. The CoreXY structure again plays a major role here, pushing speeds up to 600 millimeters per second while maintaining stability. Small design touches make daily use easier. The nozzle can be swapped in just a few seconds, and the high-flow system supports faster extrusion without clogging or inconsistency. Warm-up time is quick, so you're not waiting around between jobs. Print quality stays solid thanks to vibration control, dual fan cooling, and multiple nozzle options. The direct drive extruder, rated up to 280 degrees Celsius, supports a wide range of common filaments while keeping extrusion smooth and reliable. The dual-sided PEI build plate helps with adhesion during printing and easy removal afterward. Remote monitoring through the Flashmaker app adds convenience, letting you check progress without hovering nearby. For users who want speed, automation, and dependable results in a clean package, the 5M delivers a very smooth experience.
At number 3, the ELEGOO CoreXY Centauri Carbon. This printer is built with performance in mind right from the start. It arrives fully assembled and pre-calibrated, which helps remove setup barriers, especially for users new to CoreXY systems. The build volume offers plenty of room for larger projects, making it suitable for functional parts, enclosures, or multi-piece designs. Speed is a defining feature, with print rates reaching 500 millimeters per second and strong acceleration that keeps jobs moving efficiently. Material capability is where this printer really separates itself. The high-temperature nozzle, paired with an enclosed build chamber, supports advanced filaments like carbon fiber blends. That opens the door to stronger, more durable prints without constant tweaking. A rigid aluminum frame helps minimize vibration during high-speed movement, and features like pressure advance and vibration compensation help maintain clean layer lines and smooth surfaces. With automatic leveling and an intuitive touchscreen interface, the Centauri Carbon blends advanced capability with approachable controls. It's a strong option for users who want a budget-friendly printer that doesn't feel limited as skills grow. Moving on to number 4, the Flashforge Detachable 3D printer. This printer is designed around speed and consistency while keeping operation straightforward. The full auto leveling system ensures the bed stays properly calibrated, which improves first layer adhesion and reduces wasting filament. The CoreXY motion system supports 600 millimeters per second printing speeds with rapid acceleration, making it well suited for frequent or time-sensitive projects. Vibration compensation helps keep prints clean even when pushing higher speeds.
The high-flow nozzle system supports fast extrusion, and the powerful heater reaches operating temperature quickly, reducing downtime between prints. These small time savings add up during busy printing sessions. Practical features like filament runout detection and power loss recovery help protect long prints from interruptions. If something unexpected happens, the printer is designed to pick up where it left off instead of starting over. With a quick setup process and minimal learning curve, this printer fits users who want speed and reliability without constant adjustment or maintenance.
Finally, at number 5, the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Ender 3 V3 SE represents a refined take on one of the most recognizable names in consumer 3D printing. This version focuses on making setup and daily use easier while improving speed and consistency. Printing speeds reach up to 250 millimeters per second, helping reduce turnaround time without sacrificing stability. The direct drive extruder handles common filaments smoothly, including flexible materials, which adds versatility for everyday projects. Automatic leveling is handled by the CR Touch system, paired with a strain sensor that manages Z offset adjustments. This removes the need for manual calibration and helps ensure reliable first layers. Structural upgrades like a dual Z-axis and reinforced Y-axis components help reduce wobble and improve alignment during longer prints. These improvements show up in smoother surfaces and more consistent layers. The printer arrives largely pre-assembled and can be ready to print in about 20 minutes. That ease of setup makes it approachable for beginners while still offering enough capability for experienced users. And that wraps up the top 5 best budget 3D printers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next one.